and how many pixels is still a face, right? I mean, I suppose this is a face, but if you zoom in, see how few information it actually is. I mean, if you zoom out, you're quite confident that these are faces. But if you
Yeah,
zoom in, like they're only like
that's like
tens of pixels, literally,
yeah,
roughly, or
yeah. I would say two as well. I think
two. Yeah, it
yeah,
was like
it's easy to.
so. Then I think it's low or under. I mean, if it's $1 an hour, that's
That's
way more than yesterday. Okay, cool. Uh, Submit this one.
it's really annoying that it zooms out if you.
Yeah, it does. Um, can't see anymore. Wow, we're really getting into a flow here. Many of them, like into
Yeah,
a whole row of the same hits, which is kind of nice because you don't have to read all these instructions. Despite they only make like
yeah. Our
2 cents.
the hourly rate don't accept the new one, then
Uh,
it's definitely addictive. Just want to
yeah,
keep.
you lose track of time. That's.
Yeah, you want to keep that hourly wage meter up.
I look now. I'm not.
There's a lot of tabs to manage. You really have to get handy at this.
Yeah.
Also, while we're doing research to the workflow optimization, a lot of mechanical Turks they use
Include list
multiple
match found.
screens, or
ML data
I think
labeler.
in some cases even multiple computers. So then, for example, on one screen you could have all this hit catcher, hit finder.
This image URL. It's not loading the image. It's not loading. Okay, no. Option hits invoices structured data batch 11 vision intelligence. A few words will be displayed as images. Time to text you will see in the image. 30 minutes. I mean,
Okay,
we
and
cannot be in the US
they
if we
don't want
want to do
people
this
from
task.
specific states in the U.S.
I think it's already taken because they only have one of them, but let's try. Nah, it's already.
Yeah, you got it. The early bird gets the worm.
So we need to just quickly accept one. No images found in this task. We're gonna report this. Broken content. Picture not displaying. Submit. I don't want to auto accept broken hits. Return. Be accurate. So it's really broken, eh? Yeah.
And you see a little flash, but then
Yeah, it's a shame because it sounds like a fun one to do.
participation in this human intelligence task is voluntary and subject to the terms and conditions presented in the next page. Your computer needs to have both a microphone and a camera to complete this hit. Thank you for your help.
we have that.
Yeah, but won't it interfere with our streaming setup?
We'll see if
We'll
we
see.
can do it together with streaming actually. So let's just accept it and we see.
So first I will have to accept the hit. Let's continue. Media release and consent form. So we're actually like giving away the sort of rights to the recording. Thank you for participating in the project. Your participation in the project is voluntary. If you participate in the project, you agree to be governed by the terms herein. The purpose of the project is to record and collect video and audio data to be used for research purposes and to train and or evaluate machine learning models used by Microsoft audio and visual related technologies. Projects. Media. So this is actually already okay, but I have an hour, so we can calmly read this.
It's interesting why we cannot be a resident of Illinois or Texas or Washington. Would they have laws that sort of prevent us giving away these rights?
Yeah, I would guess so. And also because we are in the European Union, we will agree that our likeness and media that we produce in this project will be transferred to the United States or any other territory. It's provided as work for hire from Microsoft. All the rights will be performance rights will be available for Microsoft. Third-party vendors. Well, I guess we'll sell ourselves to Microsoft.
For this clip, let's do one clip.
We will record you sitting in front of your camera as if you are in a video call. Please put on your headset if you have one. Please make sure there's at least one face visible on the camera and press start recording to begin. You are responsible for obtaining the consent from any persons included in the recording. Please do not provide personal information. It's funny that this that we are suddenly being made responsible. It's like
For whom we record, yeah.
yeah, so if there would be someone in the background, we would have to be responsible.
We have to ask permission. Let's
I guess it's the OBS.
I think it's the deck link video capture. We have to see because we're capturing the video with a capture card. Yeah, the microphone switch.
Alright.
Let's see if we if the camera is going to work.
So
Otherwise, we need to recheck. It's not working, right?
it's not working.
Okay. Now, hello. We need to reconfirm. Die dan? Ik kan ook gewoon een webcam pakken.
Okay, so we'll have to just figure out correct camera.
So we added the new webcam to the computer. Let's wait a sec for it to capture it. Ik denk dat je gewoon nog een keer moet... We keep on trying.
So now we have
Logitech.
the Logitech webcam.
And the other
Yeah.
microphone still, right?
Yeah, I think
Zullen we die andere nemen?
this
Ja.
one.
Ja. En deze moet je niet aanvinken met meerdere camera's. Ja.
Alright.
So there is...
So we're recording now with multiple cameras.
Yeah.
So let's start recording.
So I can move out of the screen.
I have to put up my left hand. Left hand down. Right hand up. Right hand down.
So it seems like there's already something a script running to trace trace the movements of Marijn.
Yeah.
Thanks. It's uploading the video.
I think
It's
this is
uploading
an assignment that is made for the workers on the platform to make sure that they do their gymnastics. Because if you're sitting in a chair all day, you might get a bit like stiff muscles or stiff neck. So it's very nice of Microsoft to make this kind of ergonomic exercise. Great. So we just earned $1, I think.
Could we do another one? There seems to be still. We did one of the two.
Yeah. Should I try the same one? Maybe
I think you can try, but I think that will.
they will probably.
There's often a delay.
Oh yeah, it's no longer available for us. This is a different one. Yeah, we're only allowed once, which makes sense because they now have all the information they need.
At least we more than tripled our income for the day by doing one hit.